Welcome to GIJO Gadgets Collection. Today we have this Eachine brand US65 UK65, and this is a US65 micro brushless whoop. Okay, there you are. So as you can see, this is a 65mm whoop. Right, it came with a menu. This model is Flysky compatibility, where you can bind to your Flysky remote. Okay, so this is the menu. It tells you how you bind, and then your FC version, and also your VTX setting, and also charging. Okay, so this is the quad, this is the camera, FPV camera, this is the battery. Okay, and it comes with this 6 multi-charger, where the charger you got 0.6 ampere and 0.2 ampere. In order to charge that within 200 or 600, you have to do the switch. And also this is the switch for you to charge this LIHV 4.35 volt or the normal Ripple at 4.2. So you have to make this switch selection. Okay, this can be power up or charged using XT60. Either use 2S battery to 4S or 6S. Where this is a USB you can use to charge your mobile phone. Okay, for this package we comes with the power adapter using 12 volt and 3 ampere. This is optional item. It doesn't comes together from the original packaging from Eachine. So what we can do is, this is a charger. Okay, you can try. Can see left. Okay, so this package comes with this as well, propeller, 4 pieces extra screw, and also the propeller opener. And this package is a standard package where it comes with 3 LiPo. Let's charge. So basically, if you want to charge, there you are. Okay, it's charging for a while. With this quad, I have bind to a Flysky i6 remote controller. Okay, right. So just try one of the battery. So what we're gonna do is power up this remote, and then just put in one of the battery. And also I'm using my Hawkeye Little Pilot 5 FPV monitor just to testing for the FPV view. Okay, there you are. So as you can see, okay, so this is the FPV live FPV. Okay, and the telemetry shows that the battery is low. It's showing 3.8 voltage. Okay, so from here you can see from this there's an arming where it's been set for set A, and then you can do throttle. Okay, this is I have set it as angle, horizon, and acro fly mode. Okay, so as you can see, this humming. It's very clear. Okay. Alright. Okay, what we do, we'll do a testing of flight test later. Stay tuned.